build a PC, they said. It would be fun, they said. Yeah, until your motherboard doesn't work on arrival.
I can probably get you like a couple extra hits on this site.
On this site, you mean YouTube? I want to just start this video off by thanking everyone who helped me build this PC, configure it before I bought it, pick all the parts, pick the monitors, pick everything. First and foremost, I want to thank my dad. My dad was a huge help in building this. I wouldn't have got it done without him. He basically took charge. He was the one who said that if we bought it pre-built, we could easily do it together, which he did most of it, but yeah, I want to start by thanking him. And then I want to thank Keegan or Grapeless, either one. You'll see him in videos now that I can stream from my computer. He was a big help. Any questions I had, he answered because he just built a PC. He was always there whenever I needed him, so thank you to him. Thank you to Roy or Smeekwell and Sane or Akamaru. They were also helpful with the pre-build stuff, and whenever I had questions and they had time to answer, they would answer. I want to thank Noel for coming and testing the power supply just to find out it wasn't the power supply issue. So yeah, thank you guys all. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't follow this as a tutorial. I want to start off with that. This is not a tutorial, this is just my build video. I hope you guys enjoy. See ya. Hey there everyone, what is going on? As always, I'm Bobson, and today is May 13th, but this video won't be going live till at least May 21st at the earliest. May 25th, I believe, at the latest. So what's going on? On Mother's Day, so 3 days ago, May 10th I think it was, I made the jump, I did it. I finally ordered a PC. So that's what this video is going to be. Over time I'll be getting parts, so I'm going to add a little bit of me getting the parts in between, and then I'm going to have us build it. I'm going to be building it with my dad. Fast forward a week and a half whenever we build it. But today we got a part, so we're gonna open it. Okay, so it's a big box. I think I know what it is. It's not the case. Slice it open like that. Oh, there's lots of stuff in it. Unwrap. For it to be my two brand new BenQ 24-inch monitors. So, got two of these. Okay, so PC part package 2 has shown up. I'm gonna show you guys the box. There you go, big box, lots of stuff, personal information there. And we're gonna open it, and I'm gonna just take stuff out rather than angle it down. Trusty knife. Oh, there we go. Is everything individually wrapped? Let's see. Oof. Okay, one side. The other side. Okay. So, okay, eat that stuff away. We got, my new Black Widow Elite Razer keyboard, which I'm really excited to use. It's very heavy. Yeah, that is my new keyboard. I got my H60 Corsair cooler for inside. I have 3 Corsair fans, RGB fans, so they're colorful. And then I got, I don't know what this is. So here are my 2 memory sticks. One's in here, one's in here, and then a Bluetooth adapter. So we got everything. So let's open this bad boy up. We're gonna plop you right there. Hopefully that doesn't fall. And it is, holy shit, this is heavy. The power supply. So we got a big power supply. Just another part of the PC. and we'll pop it in with the rest of the stuff. Okay. Okay guys, what is going on? We're back. Today is now the 19th. We've gotten more parts. Here's one. Just gonna yeet it open. And we got the G-Skill rip saw, which I believe is, I don't know. I will learn in a bit when I build this. And then the next up, we got a big box right here from Pure Later. Yeet. This is a video card. Oh. We got the GeForce RTX 2070 Super. It is a video card. It is awesome. Very excited. So these are some more parts. And we'll continue. All we have left is the case, the processor, and the motherboard. All scheduled to come tomorrow. I'm really excited. Okay guys. I'm really excited because the last of my parts are in. So we're going to see this before we start building. Okay, we got one box right here, which I've already broken open, but I will show you guys. It's in a bag. Oh, it's in a bag in a box. I thought it was just going to be... Oh, no, it's not in a box. Holy shit. I'm going to put that right back in the bag because I don't trust myself handling that. In the motherboard. So we got the motherboard as well. And then finally, the thing that holds it all together, I'm not picking it up and I'm not opening it yet, is the NZXT 8510 Elite Premium Compact Mid-Tower Case. It's gonna look like that. Hopefully I can blur out any personal details. Yeah, that's all my parts. So next thing you know, we'll be building it. I'm really excited. Okay, so we're gonna start building this.
You can come over.
You can come over.
No big deal. Okay, come and get it. Come here. You're allowed.
You're allowed to.
Careful.
Oh.
Careful.
There we go. This is the case. The NZXT H510.
LMLP.
And we do say Z here, not C. I believe this will be the front and this is the back.
Tempered glass, handle with care.
We were going to go with the pre-built, but Dad said he thinks we can build it, so that's what we're going with right now. We got all our parts laid out behind us in order. Well, in order of the part list. I'll include the part list down below in the description.
Wrong side. Take
Wrong side. Oh, so the tempered glass? That doesn't seem right, but okay. So we got it all opened up now.
And all your parts.
I don't know, this didn't come with a manual.
Did not?
No.
Nothing in the box.
Although, as much as you saw from me, maybe the manual's online.
Or maybe it's in the box I just handed you and showed it not.
Oh, not to open? I did that with my iPhone the other day. And then you ripped it. So we're currently trying to figure out how to open the power cube, or the core processor. It's a very dumb box. There's still tape on this side. No, it's not much, but... There we go. Gotta be very careful with that.
It's a neat thing.
It is. That's a cool container that it comes in. Okay, we're gonna continue watching our build video. Okay, so now we got the motherboard. First off, don't follow our guide. This is just us doing it. look up an actual guide. We're currently, that's one. That's two. We're currently trying to install the memory.
Yeah, I gotta make sure this slot's got something in it. But I think it goes this way.
Put it in? No, it was like the other way. Because watch, it lines up like inside. Oh, there we go. And then we need slot 4. Okay, so the cooler didn't come pre-built, so we gotta build that. But we're trying to figure out the SSD part. And because the guide has the SSD in on one of his 2 builds, and then the other build doesn't have the SSD in. Put in the SSD. Where the fuck does it go on here?
Okay, on the left, on your dad's right hand.
That one?
Under the shield?
I might call you back if we need more help.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
So it goes like this?
So it goes like that?
Yeah.
Did you have to push it, or did you...
Yeah, you do have to put a little bit of pressure on it.
It's not fully against the ground, or do you put it against the ground and then screw it in? Oh, wait. Should it be like that and then you screw it in? Okay, yeah.
How many, or can we go on a different slot? No.
He said it's like that. You hang it like that and then it screws in.
Okay.
Yeah, you kind of...
We are attempting to put the motherboard in because we think we've done everything we can outside of the case.
Okay, yeah. Alright, so before we do that though.
Does that have to go on? So we so far have one successful thing because we got the port in. Now we gotta put the motherboard in. Well, at least you know where that lines up. We're trying to install the cooler now. Try just putting it on the front.
This?
No,
What if, if we put this?
it won't line up still. This goes on the front, over top of the processor. And then the thumb screws go in there.
Into where? Okay, you just show me what you're talking about. So.
Okay, so while playing with it, Dad thinks he found it out. But I don't think he did.
Ye of little faith, ye of little faith, my son, your
He's going crazy.
Was born at night, but not last night.
He's going crazy.
Look at him go. Just call me Bill Gates.
I don't think Bill Gates builds his computers.
Well, he started somewhere.
He pays people to do it for him.
He started somewhere, son. I can probably get you like a couple extra hits on this site.
On this site, you mean YouTube?
We'll get Poops out here.
That's his wife. Poops.
Poops.
Not someone pooping.
Nope. Nope. Alright, so. You know, sometimes, oh man. Lots of time wasted on that.
Well, yeah, about 45 minutes.
Okay. Well, you know, a simple, it adjusts.
Yeah, well.
Self-adjusting. Alright, we got the screws. Now, we want to put the cooling. Is there any paste or anything that goes on this right now? What's that there?
What's what?
Nothing.
This is the internal hard drive.
Okay, so is there supposed to be paste on this? Is there...
Yes, I don't know where. 1 second.
I need to know where this goes and where we're going to locate it. As far as a fan goes. We need to see which way his fan and cooler points out.
This is the one from 2012.
Must go to here.
Okay, we figured out that now. We know where the fan's gotta go. We're taking out the old fan and putting in the new one with a liquid cooler. Okay, so the fan's mounted. We're just trying to figure out how to connect it. So connect pump power cable to an available SATA plug.
Alright, so we got a fan here, for sure.
Yeah, so one will go in CPU fan header on the motherboard.
Okay.
So the 3-pin will go in there.
CP. There's system fan. There is CPU fan. Yeah.
That's where the 3-prong will go.
Even though it's a 4.
This says 3-pin goes into figure 2. And then 4-pin goes into the 4-pin one. Okay, so we've moved on to the power supply, and there's a lot of fucking wires. And we gotta figure out everything we need. It's gonna be fun. So last night, as I was waiting for the parts, Keegan was talking about how long it took him. And he said because he wanted to make it as neat as possible. And I said, my dad's probably gonna want to do the same thing. And that's literally what he just said to me as we're setting up. There's so many cables. And then we got our video card here. And some shitty tutorial. Music's way too loud. But we got the power supply on the bottom. You nailed it in, right? Or screwed it in, sorry?
Yeah.
Okay, the power supply is screwed in. He's just figuring out all the cables now. Okay, now we got our last part, and that's the video card. We just gotta make sure it lines up before we plug everything in. Attempt 1 to plug it in did not work. We are trying to figure out what is wrong. There's so many cables. So many cables. Next time we pay someone. Okay guys, so we started about 24 hours ago when we attempted to build this PC. We got everything in, and turns out the motherboard doesn't work. The port where you plug in the power supply into the motherboard doesn't power up when plugged into the motherboard, but when plugged into the power supply tester, it works and the motherboard lights up. So we believe it's a problem with the 24-pin connector on the motherboard. We've spent probably the last 3 hours trying to figure this out. We got Noel over here testing everything. And yeah, so as of right now, I bought a computer that does not work. This is either going to come out with the whole build with the computer built, or I might release this on Saturday with the title of I bought a computer but it doesn't work. Haven't decided yet. I'll keep you posted. I've just been playing with a magnet this whole time while he tests everything because I'm useless. And yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated. I'm really sad because I wanted it for tomorrow. Okay, so we're on day 3 of attempting to build a PC. We found out that it was actually the motherboard that did not work.
Not the two Mamelukes putting it together.
Yes, not us putting it together. When I went to the store, they said it was dead on arrival and there was actually no chance of us possibly turning it on, which is funny. They replaced it. We have the new one. He tested it, he set it up, he put the RAM sticks in. Everything's good on it, it works. All we have to do is set it up here. My grandmother texted me to go for lunch. Dad was working on it when I woke up. I'm probably gonna come home and he'll either have it done or it won't work and it will be smashed to pieces. Yeah, so we'll come back and we'll see how it's going. Okay, so I came home from having lunch and my PC was done. There it is. All the lighting isn't working properly, but we'll get there one day. Screen just turned off, but it's installing Windows currently as we speak. And yeah, so everything's all done. This is my PC. There's a lot of trouble, especially with the motherboard, because the motherboard didn't work. So yeah, this whole video is gonna be all about building it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I left the PC part list down below. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great weekend.